Today is a really great day. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and it's really quiet and calm now. It's the first day since the vlog started that I don't feel overwhelmed, because I was able to finish yesterday edit in the early morning, which is really great because then I can focus on today's story. I know that I have to go to the pharmacy, which I'm not really happy about because I have to go out again, but we'll see. We should start the day. Now we are taking out the clothes from the washing machine and I'm taking them outside. That's being outside sounds like. Busy days. So now I'm going to the pharmacy because one day you can do just one thing outside, and these two things is going to the groceries and going to the pharmacy, and I need to buy some medicine for myself and for Mauro's father. So yeah, so that's why I'm heading right now. I'm still really excited about going outside, but I'm not excited about the other people. Hopefully they're not going to be as crowded as yesterday. How many people were there at the market? Grazie mille, buona giornata, arrivederci. I don't know if you saw on the ground there was a coin and no one took it. This is the first time that I see something like this, that there's a coin on the ground and no one has the courage to take it. Interesting. What you see now is the market here in my town, and you can see the line over there. People are waiting. Don't really agree with this market thing that is open, but maybe it's better, because if there wouldn't be a market, maybe there would be too many people in the stores. I don't know. I really don't know, but I'm not going to the market for sure. Okay. So I'm back. The market was filled with people like this. It was so many people, and also in the town itself there's so many people, and I realized that also yesterday it was filled because of Pasqua, that is Easter. It's tomorrow, so that's why there's a lot of people everywhere. I forgot about it because everything will be really closed for a couple of days. Hello, Catino. It's not gonna work without cat food. I was worried that people think that we are like, I don't know, that is like, oh, it's too easy for you because, you know, we have this garden, and so it's easier for us, the quarantine, which is true. But someone commented that it feels like normal again just to watch us being outside in the garden. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, so I thought I'm coming out and I'm going to paint here outside because it's such a beautiful day, and I thought we can hang out a little bit in the garden under this nice umbrella. I'm gonna put this gorgeous tree behind me. It started to bloom, I think yesterday. I saw some signs of blooming, and now it's just amazing now. And it's still not there yet. Probably tomorrow, in the next couple of days, it's going to go full bloom. I had this idea since the whole quarantine started that I wanted to make paintings about people. Anyone who's willing to answer to this question, that what is freedom to you in the time of quarantine? And it's a difficult question because we eventually, as I talked in one of my videos, I was talking about this, that we don't have eventually real freedom right now, because obviously we can't go out whenever we want, wherever we want. We can't travel, and we can't with our friends and family, so obviously our freedom is really limited. So I had this idea that I'm going to make drawings of you. You can send me a photo of you while you are doing this activity, what brings you the feeling of freedom. So for example, running, or watering your plants, or cooking, or whatever activity you're doing and you like to do that, and it gives you the mood of freedom, then send me on my Instagram account the photo and a couple of sentences about what freedom means to you in the time of quarantine. So I'm going to paint you, and now I'm going to illustrate what I'm talking about, and I'm going to paint a painting of myself in the activity of where I feel the most free in my body right now, when I'm inside the house and it's just really quiet, because it is really quiet here, but for sure it's quiet also in cities as well. I just like to just stand and just listen to the quietness, you know. It's, I don't know, it's really strange, I know, but I really like that, and that gives me the feeling of lightness, of, we can say, freedom. I made the background, and now we're gonna do the foreground. I think here. I'm done with the painting. I hope you like it. This is me dancing to the silence, which is my freedom now. And I would like you to send me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram. You send me a photo of yourself when you are doing the activity, when you feel the most free, and send me a couple of sentences about what is that activity and what is freedom for you right now during the quarantine time. Even if you are just in a lockdown and you're staying at home because of your will, because I'm quarantined, I don't have a choice, but maybe you have a choice, so maybe your idea of freedom is different compared to mine. Just let me know. And I forgot to show you, the painting was painted, I painted on a pizza box.